Namaste friends. Today we are going to Poicha. Poicha is around 40 km from Kevadia. There are few famous temples over there. One is Swaminarayan temple, and I have checked on Google Map. They look very beautiful. So it's we have just called taxi. It's coming in another 10 minutes. It's around 12 o'clock right now, and it will take around 40 to 50 minutes to reach there. So see you there. ये जो झराना वाटरफॉल है, झरानी हाँ कितना टाइम लगेगा? We are right now at Swaminarayan Ji temple. I am standing outside the main temple complex. This is also called as Nilkanth Dham, located in Poicha, very near to Statue of Unity, around 40 km from Ekta Nagar. It's a very huge campus and it's a newly built temple with traditional as well as modern architecture combined. I've just seen few of the photos and video. We will be going inside the temple. I'm standing at the parking. Parking is very huge. A lot of cars, I think at least 1,000 cars can actually park here. All around it's just very beautiful buildings. Let's go in the temple and we'll show you the temple. Kids, come. Entry to the temple is 10 rupees per person. I've just got the ticket.
Jose must not enter.
It's a very beautiful entrance. There are a lot of elephants welcoming us when we enter the temple. My kids love it. Wow, it's so beautiful temple. I just got to know it's spread across 105 acres, which is a very huge land. And it's beautiful, very beautiful. It's a very, very beautiful temple, and the main Garbhagriha I can see is covered with gold, which looks very, very beautiful. And even all these small temples around the main temple are also on the top. The main Gumbad is Garbhagriha is actually colored from gold. It looks very fantastic. And here I can see Krishna ji dancing in the garden in different position. There are a lot of shops here. It's very sunny today. I want sunglasses, so I'll buy one pair of sunglasses from here. हाँ जी, चश्मा कितने का जी?
अलग अलग प्राइस है, 120, 180,
यहाँ पे मतलब वीडियो ब्लॉग कर रहा था, मैं शूट कर रहा था। आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड बिकॉज दिस एरिया इज़ वेरी बिग और बहुत ही अच्छे वेल मेंटेन डेकोरेट किया गया है। मंदिर को। हम भी पहली बार आए यहाँ पे।
अच्छा, yeah.
तो पूरा मंदिर को मुझे घूमने में आई थिंक 1 घंटे के ऊपर लगा अभी तक।
Okay.
Ma'am also?
हाँ 1 hour completely.
And that side it will take 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
That side.
4 hours.
So
we are not
very
going
nice.
there.
There
We're
are
not
a
going
bridge,
just-
one bridge only, laughing bridge, I think, laughing, sorry ma'am, jumping bridge,
Hanging trees.
hanging. That is
Hanging bridge,
so
flower
better.
gardens, and so many lots of places like for childrens and
We met them yesterday at Statue of Unity.
Yeah.
And we are meeting again today,
Again today.
at Poicha at this Swaminarayan Ji
Swaminarayan
temple.
Mandir.
Swaminarayan Mandir, and also it says Nilkanthdham Mandir.
Nilkanthdham.
Yes.
Okay.
हम
Wonderful.
लोगों ने already seen कुबेर मंदिर.
Kuber Mandir, yes.
Maybe we'll meet at the next place also again.
Sure, if it is in happen in destiny.
Bye.
Happy journey.
Bye.
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 Photography and videography of Swaminarayan Ji statue is not allowed. We did puja just now. We can get puja thali here, and they charge 30 rupees for the thali, and Pandit Ji will do puja for you. Behind there is Narmada River. This is Swaminarayan Mahamantra Ajivan Akhand Gun Mandir. That means chanting of mantra will never stop here and it will continue for the lifetime. Right here is Prasadam and cafeteria. We have already been to the temple and now we have come to eat some snacks and also take prasad. There behind is the temple, and just here is a canteen where there are multiple counters. You can get South Indian food, North Indian food, Chinese and different type of cuisines at a very reasonable price. Dosa you will eat, right? एक dosa, एक गुजराती थाली. At the entrance of the temple is this prasadam shop. Here you can buy different type of prasad in form of sweet. So they have different varieties of sweets here. For me, I think it's the most beautiful temple I've ever seen in my life. It is very beautiful and you should definitely visit this temple when you're in Gujarat or visiting Statue of Unity. Thank you so much for watching.